Lisa channel. So that's the biggest and the largest fabric store in my hometown. And I just bought a stretchy fabric. This fabric has a unique pattern. I want to make a baby headband with this fabric. Stay tuned. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. So this is the fabric that I bought. It has a unique pattern, and the best thing is it's stretchy. I really love this kind of fabric, and as I always say over and over, when we are working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very, very important. As you can see, this is the edge of fabric. The size is 8 inches or 20 centimeters. And the length of this fabric will be head circumference plus an inch. So if the head circumference is 18 inches, the length will be about 19 inches. If the head circumference is 45 centimeters, the length will be about 47 centimeters. So fold the fabric in half and sew here using knit stitch. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew this turban headband or to sew elastic fabric, you're not supposed to use this regular stitch. But I will use this knit stitch to sew this turban headband. If you don't have this knit stitch on your sewing machine, you can use a regular zigzag stitch. Like this one, I use contrasting thread to make it easier to see. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of breaking the sewing thread. Now turn the fabric inside out. With the seam here, I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half and sew here using regular stitch. Cut the excess fabric. Gather the fabric here. Prepare another piece of fabric. I will make the center. The size is about 3 inches or 7 centimeters and the length is about 6 inches or 15 centimeters. I will fold the fabric in half like this and sew here using regular stitch. Turn the fabric. I will measure it here. I will embellish the center with some beads and rhinestones. Now I will sew the center with the right sides together. I will sew here using regular stitch. Cut the excess fabric. Turn the center and slide this to the center of our baby headband. And our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell.